Hello and welcome back everybody. If you want to enable the one-handed mode on any of the Android phone and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you through the method for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the settings application for that. And once you open up the settings app, you can just go over and use the search bar within the settings. And definitely look out for the option called one-handed mode. So you can find that option called one-handed mode. It is usually under advanced feature accessibility, so you can tap on it. And you just need to look out for the option and turn it on. So you can tap on the option and toggle the main switch to enable it. And once you tap on it, you can just go over and select how you want to activate it. So we have gesture. For that, you can swipe down in the center of the bottom of the edge of the screen, and that is how you do it. You just need to go over and do so. But for button, you can just go over and double tap on the home button and use the navigation bar if you are using the navigation bar. Once it is activated, the screen should shrink and move to one of the side, and you can often tap an icon to switch sides or drag the corner to resize. And then you can swipe back down or double tap the home screen to return to the full screen. And that is how you enable the one-handed mode on your Android phone. You just need to follow up this method for that, pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.